South Asian users' attention. Bitget has a special event for you guys. As they celebrate Analos listing. Get ready for an exhilarating experience as we bring you an exclusive event to celebrate the listing of Analos. Your chance to win incredible rewards awaits by completing a few simple tasks. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity to share $10,000 worth of Analos. South Asian users' attention. Bitget has a special event for you guys. As they celebrate Analos listing. Get ready for an exhilarating experience as we bring you an exclusive event to celebrate the listing of Analos. Your chance to win incredible rewards awaits by completing a few simple tasks. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity to share $10,000 worth of Analos. First of all, here is another intro to Analos project. Analos is not just another meme coin in the crowded crypto space. It has quickly gained momentum and recognition, challenging established cryptocurrencies like $PEPE and $BONK. Its philosophy, look right, walk left, encapsulates its unconventional and innovative approach, adding to its allure and popularity. A staggering $15 billion Analos tokens, representing 15% of its total supply, are being distributed. This generous giveaway is targeting a broad audience including $BONK holders, users of Solana decentralized exchanges, DEX, and a diverse group of NFT collectors. This airdrop has created a buzz among crypto communities. An impressive $1 million ecosystem fund has been set up by Analos, with the first 2 quests alone offering $100,000 in rewards. This fund is a testament to the project's commitment to fostering a robust and vibrant community. So what do you need to do for this event? Here are some tasks list. Tasks to participate. Complete KYC, ensure your account is verified by completing the KYC process. First net deposit, make your first net deposit to unlock your entry. First trading, execute your first trade to enhance your chances of winning amazing prizes. Spot trading with Analos, make your spot trading with Analos to gain chances to win. How it works. Complete tasks to maximize your chances of spinning the wheels. Each completed task earns you a spin on the wheels. The more tasks you complete, the greater your chances of winning. Don't miss this exclusive opportunity to be part of the Analos listing celebration. So that is all for today's video. Make sure if you like this kind of content and information, give it a thumbs and subscribe for more. Stay tuned.